POV. You know, we're gonna be sliding in the rain. Gotta make sure ain't no cops in the car like that. As you can see, we do have traction control off in advanced track. We got it in drive. We're gonna do a small little donut. I'm gonna go to a spot and see how well I can do one-handed. It's so dangerous to do, especially in the rain. First, like, I'm gonna take the car to a spot. Look at Indians, bro. Indians. Anyway, we're gonna take it to a small spot that I normally go to. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick, real easy, real fast. You know, it's gonna be in the rain, so it's gonna be way more slippery doing this in the rain. I make sure ain't nobody over there at the spot. It's right there in the cut. It looks like ain't nothing going on. The workers. Matter of fact, let's go scope out the place real quick. Scope it out real quick. They're over there working, so I ain't too worried about them. But over there now, yeah. I don't know if that's a cop car. See, what y'all supposed to do is, before y'all start doing wild bullcrap, is scope out the area first. Hush, I know. Hush. I know I ain't got no beat belt on. But anyway, what we're gonna do, we're gonna scope out. I would go down there, but it's too open to the road. Oh my God, I did not see that. I think it's a STEM school, bro. Let me see, I can't see over this thing. Well, I'm gonna be spinning the other one way in and one way out. Oh my God, I'm not about to wait in this. Oh no. Please tell me I can leave. I'm not. I came here to scope, not stay. Oh no. This is, oh nah. One way. Can I get out? Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Please tell me I can get out. Please. I got people looking at me. Oh my God, please don't tell me I'm stuck. Nigga, we gotta get, it says only one way, not today. It ain't gonna be one way today, nigga. I'm about to make it both ways in this bitch. Heck no, I ain't staying here. I only came to scope out. Hey look bro, we gotta pull some illegal mess. There's only one way in, but we gotta make it one way out. God, I'm not staying. One way in and one way out. Cause them jokers are stuck in there. We can't get out. So if we go off this way, we gotta do this quick. Quickness, nigga. I hurt to get out of here. We only came to scope, that was it. Look at God. All right, anyway, so since now we know that there's no cops, we already in sport mode. I'm show you a very, very quick tutorial on how to spin. We're gonna be over there protected by the bushes, so we good. We're gonna sit for a while. But in order to spin, dang, we've been lost gas. Anyway, in order to spin, you put this thing right here, sport mode, M for paddle shifting, so you can use the paddle shifting, right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap 1 until you see M1, right? We're in first gear. When you in first gear, and the car basically does the rest of the magic. So we only gonna do one slide, right? We gonna sit here, act like we just chilling, cause I don't know if cops be coming through this junk. We gonna sit right here for a minute. I need to get a radar for this car. But anyway, make it real quick, real fast. Real quick. Anyway, so once you put it in M, and you tap the paddle shift and put it in M1, right? You basically in first gear. Once you got it in first gear, dang, there's so many cars coming by. There we go, they gone. And once you got that junk in there, bro, all you do is you gotta go, and then you just got there. Then you had it there. I don't know how many I did. Nah, you swing up out of there. Easy and simple as that. You head home. I did that all one-handed too. All one-handed too. Easy. See, look. See, once you do it one time, you get a little cocky, right? You want to start sliding everywhere. Don't do that. Do not try to slide places where you know you cannot slide. So, if you got an intersection like this as such, and you see people coming this, that, third, don't get Mr. Cocky and be like, oh, I'm about to slide. Cause nigga, you gonna do something stupid, and you gonna slide and the car gonna be facing the other way. You don't wanna do that, right? You just easily slide like this, watch, right? You just turn the wheel, and you just gas, that's it. Easy. Just gas it. Just let the car do its own thing. When you feel like you about to lose it, put off the gas, man. Put off the gas. It's S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple. Simple. Anyway, but that's gonna be the video for today, man. If y'all like it, you know, like, comment. You know, if you got bad things to say too, please add that into the freaking dang on comments because, you know, it doesn't really affect me. What do you want? That's the video for today, man. Hey, like I said, if you ain't got something good to say, either leave it in the comments because, you know, I grow from it. You know, it helps with the channel and it helps me improve things. You know, it's all good. I talk to my haters and my motivators. I love y'all all. But anyway, that's it for today, man. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, do what y'all got to do. And I'll be making a part 2 when I get the Mustang back. Anyway, see y'all later.